Majita Namakhotmani transfer news reports they are busy as Omukwena and Allende in central midfield. Today's video we focus on Orlando Pirates. They have released 2 players. As I said on this channel last month, Miguel Team is leaving, Innocent Mayela is leaving. Looking at the squad and what happened this season, 7 more players might follow Baphume Majita. I did explain up on the channel a few months ago. In football transfers, kukho small club ne big clubs. Small clubs at the end of the season they lose the best players out to big clubs. And then big clubs zona they release players and zilenze ixesha. Then sign the best players from the smaller clubs. Zindo zakhona bafethu. If you look deeper, there are various reasons why clubs release players. It's not always football related or performance related. A team nga release players to manage the salary cap. Release a player for injury history. A team nga release a player if the player doesn't fit into the plans. For Pirates, this is Champions League football next season. A team nga vayisa a player for discipline reasons. A player ngahamba because the player wants to leave. At the same time, teams release players to make a room for new players. Since last season, as I said, 10 players were released by Orlando Pirates, and some of the players song is just crack about Habu, Johnny, but it's not just about the performance. So let's get into the list of players Orlando Pirates are expected to announce its departure zazo the next few days or weeks. First up we list Gilberto, the Angolan international winger, 24 years old. What's the problem? Ufike waqobisa nje umjita. Orlando Pirates have loaned him back to Petro de Luanda, Angola, in January, and even there he didn't make significant impact. So umjita yavaya. Petro Premiership yethu bafethu is on a high level. Players can perform and excel with kwezinye leagues like Angola Premier Division, Zambia Premier League, Namibia Premier League, Uganda Premier League, but if you get up to Premiership, especially from the Ghana Premier League, Nigerian Premier League, level high up. Players are not just quick, but they are technical. Ela singalibali support the channel bafethu nje nishaye like apha ezantsi okanye nishaye subscribe. YouTube akafuna abantu ababukela nje funeka bekhona into oyenzayo bhuti. I-80% abantu bayancanywa le channel bayibukela every week, but kuse umuntu acofa subscribe okanye kuse like. Bekhona oyenzayo bhuti ungabukeli nje cofa nje into zabelungu man. Watch bafethu. The next player out of Orlando Pirates uZakhele Lepasa. Not just injuries affected him umjita, but relations with the club and the management Orlando Pirates. Umjita uZakhele Lepasa recovered from injury 3 months ago, but zangaphinda buyele baleni. Next player on loan at Chippa United, Siphelelo Baloni, central midfielder. Siphelelo Baloni was loaned to Chippa in January. The worst thing happened for Umchita. Ufike Chippa United akadlala. Next player on the list, which is a shocker, Undaba Ithethwa Ndlondlo. Undaba Ithethwa Ndlondlo bafethu unayo equality siyazi zonke lo way, but playing competition Orlando Pirates phakla central midfield ayinabawo. Next player uThabiso Lebuitsi, Umchita nayo equality, but injury history yakhe yenza ba say abe too unreliable for a team like Orlando Pirates that's going to be competing on all fronts. So nanso ye list 5 players ezivayayo, uGilberto, Lepasa, uNdlondlo, Baloni, Lebitso. The next list is players ezi4 bafethu. As players quite big question marks in future yazo. I'm not going to claim I sendazi konke apha. I'm not going to lie and I know what's going to happen here. This is Orlando Pirates ithetha ngayo bafethu. Orlando Pirates, anything can happen. Any player can leave Orlando Pirates. But any player can stay when you think the player is going to leave Orlando Pirates. Pirates soze wegqibe jo. Number 1, unclear future, Paseka Marco, left back. Kule season uMarco usafiswe injuries. Number 2, midfielder Grand, Goodwin Mosele. Mosele uyobathembisa okay ngathi is going to be back this season, but suddenly available out. Number 3, Olisenda, the mysterious injury around Unda. Quality player Unda, but except Orlando Pirates, ever since Unda came back from injury 3 months ago, he never came near the field. Skipani, asiyazi bafethu. Number 4, again, another question mark, mystery story. Monapule Saleng. Skipani, Saleng, ayikho injured. Nowhere near the team. Skipani, asiyazi bafethu. Uyavaya abanyahlala asiyazi, but let's expect bawuzovaya umjita. List of 4 players bafethu by question marks awuyazi bathi Skipani ngabo. Click in the comment if nina bafethu you can predict when you think these players are going to leave or you're going to stay. Goodwin Mosele, Paseka Marco, Olisanda Monapule Saleng. Amanye amajita ne-question mark evalid, but Orlando Pirates njani vice players because there's a new coach coming. Pirates have been doing that for decades, and at the same time Orlando Pirates have succeeded yenze londo before Jose Riveiro afike. Before Jose Riveiro afike ngoJuly 2022 kwahamba players before asibone uJose Riveiro. Kwamka uThabiso Sesane, kwamka uMonapule Saleng, kwamka uGladwin Shitholo, kwamka uJustice Chabalala. But very soon Jose Riveiro wabiza amajita back from loan. Thabiso Sesane noMonapule Saleng babuye Orlando Pirates from loan. Nazo fanda bafethu ngicela support i-channel, shaya like apha ezantsi okanye if eqala udibane channel ushaye usubscribe. Mwacha bafethu. Nazo fanda